Yeah, what's on my guy na imanyanga tsita komisa. So if you're watching this, namhla nemteli nama interesting, and I've got you new music, which I think each and every person who has to come across this video online. Ufana awuyingisela nkani. And now Marilan, kulaka Mr. Post now. Look, Mr. Post lad in now Marilan, now ish lishing at Louis, so boy show melen. Now which could no 7. Sivula ku hi 7 not loko 4 va ri xikolweni loko u nga ri 7 so not loko u nga ri xikolweni swi loko u ta va na problem loko constitution yi ku lexi yi ri lexi i nawu xi xexo if it doesn't happen you'll have to follow what consequences so swi fana na sweswiwani i nawu lowu ni mi nyikaka wona. I came across this music lowu one wa Mr. M the Poet Shy featuring Computer Rihlampfu. This music, it's a fusion of stronger gospel music. Yeah, stronger for the sound, yes, stronger. In our apostolic nyana, we one of the elements to community competition gaveng. Must also discuss over the politics inside churches. This year one so you know there are a lot of politics dealing like correct. Like at the WhatsApp group, the politics later, we shan't tell a stock of fellow clever man fundisi. We shan't clever fundis, okay, fundis, what you're and stuff. So it's an album, it's new. I think already I've uploaded half of the album on this YouTube channel. It talks about the politics around gospel churches, the curriculum discussing whether they're fake or not. Well, let so this person lying the music one, Mr. M the Poet Shy has also have released poetry. Yes, paid imlobe to Kobaku. For sure, imlobe to random music question because music question have a thing, and the most of music question are people who will listen and learn quickly. So this album is powerful. It has that commentary ever since Comradish Fambin, I have mal. But then you in one sham we are element a gospel music apostolic. Collaborate them at clever na clever na jazz basically clever na I will let them agato bafundis bazamu but we don't listen because I think the album laying on two sides of a story. Do you know what the two sides of the story is? Just a look and logo son Makam stop criticize what like the next song is what I've let the Magato like exception. Besides on Makam she chingalo Satika the very same album is Temet and also show. It's art. So it has that kind of an art yaku yashkota ku oppose inga oppose so it's up to you what you gonna choose. So the album is it's actually uploaded on this YouTube channel by now. Who have uploaded full album. Go and listen to it and tell me how you feel about it. Give it time, feel the tune. But then my only critic is Kokwani should should actually invest most the quality. You know, the quality compared to other music of his genre. It's one of the best. However, if you want to come in the game, you should never sacrifice quality, sound quality. And sometimes you should try to connect with the audience in terms of how you narrate your things. But then his art, his writing and narration of everything, it tops. Go and search the album, The Poet M. Shy featuring Computer R. But then mongena kwa channel and then we are coming and then game this mboza must you subscribe.